Joe Lyons admits he's been snoring for years.
I've been told that the house shakes, that it sounds like a train, that people in other rooms can hear.
But it never seemed to be a problem until he got married last year.
As a newlywed, it's challenging enough to being married the first year, but snoring really adds that extra element of challenge to it.
Losing sleep was frustrating for Joe's wife, Jamie. But what really worried her was how Joe would stop breathing completely.
To hear your spouse all of a sudden not breathing for 10 to 30 seconds at a time, it's pretty nerve-wracking.
Joe was suffering from a very common disorder called sleep apnea. Here at Beth Israel Deaconess Hospital in Needham, about 300 new patients are diagnosed with sleep apnea each year, and hundreds more are treated for the disorder.
Sleep apnea is a condition where breathing is abnormal during sleep. Bad breathing during sleep is just the most common reason why people just keep waking up unrefreshed on and on and on.
It wasn't until Joe was diagnosed that he realized he would often feel exhausted in the middle of the day, even after 8 or more hours of sleep.
A couple times when I was driving, in the middle of the afternoon, I would start to nod a little bit.
According to the National Institutes of Health, 12 million Americans suffer from sleep apnea. Many cases go undiagnosed. If left untreated, sleep apnea can lead to serious health problems: high blood pressure, heart disease, memory loss, even depression. Fortunately, there are a variety of treatments for sleep apnea, including surgery and the most common treatment, continuous positive airway pressure, or CPAP.
Positive airway pressure using mask and air pressure to keep the upper airway open. So the air pressure is like a doorman, just keeping the door open.
Joe Lyons started using his CPAP machine 3 months ago. It's made a major difference for him and his wife.
He's less irritable, and it seems like he's able to concentrate much more easily than he had been in the past.
I just plug it in, I put the mask on, and it's not this big oxygen tank type contraption. There's just a little thing that fits on my nostril and a strap around my head. It's not the sexiest thing, but it works.